7 Proven Ways How to Make Money on Instagram. As one of the fastest growing social media platforms, Instagram has quickly gained over 1 billion active users. If you want to learn how to make money on Instagram, you need the right business model. 1. Publish sponsored posts. Influencer marketing is on its rise. According to Social Toaster, 92% of individuals trust word-of-mouth recommendations, 76% of people say that they're more likely to trust content shared by common people than brands, and 82% of customers want to get referrals from friends before making a purchasing decision. 2. Become a brand ambassador. Most brand ambassadors sign contracts with brands to promote their products. And to get better results, brands need to find an influencer who has a following that represents the target audience. For ambassadors, this means a great opportunity to make money, as the standard salary for a brand ambassador is somewhere in the $40 to $50,000 range. 3. Promote affiliate links. To make money with affiliate marketing, you need to join affiliate programs so that you can add affiliate links to your Instagram and make a commission on the sales you generate. 4. Sell physical and digital products. Over the last few years, Instagram has turned into a powerful sales machine. Since people use this network to discover and buy products, Instagram rolls out business account features like in-app checkout, the shop button, product tags, and shoppable stickers to make the shopping process easier. 5. Create visual content for sale. In fact, most consumers believe that UGC is 35% more memorable than other media, so businesses of all sizes want to publish content created by their customers. Simply put, it's your opportunity to sell photos and videos you create. 6. Write captions for businesses. The days when only big brands could afford Instagram marketing are far behind us. Today, brands of all sizes want to use this platform to promote their products and services, and 92% of small businesses plan to invest more time and effort in social media marketing. 7. Make Instagram stories masks and filters. Today, over 500 million people watch or create Instagram stories daily. Since this type of content is available for a limited period of time, people are highly engaged, and it gives brands more opportunities to hook their target audience. And if you're interested in creativity, you can build an income stream on Instagram, as the Spark R Studio allows all users to create R filters for Instagram stories. Click the links in the description below or visit laptoplifepro.com for the best courses on affiliate marketing. Please like and share, and subscribe to this channel for more videos. Good luck!